Check out this beautiful 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback. This car is restored to beautiful condition. Acapulco blue. Hood scoop. All new chrome. Underneath is like brand new. This car's amazing under the hood too. It's got a 289. Bored out. Runs and drives great. Automatic transmission. Factory air conditioning, blows ice cold. Look at this car. Look at the body gaps. They are just about perfect. Probably better than the factory. Custom wheels, disc brakes, power steering. Look at the interior. Beautiful leather interior. Bucket seats, center console, overhead console. Remember, this is not just a regular Mustang. This is a Fastback GTA, which is the GT automatic. So it's a real GTA, not a clone. Beautiful condition. You can see the GTA emblems right there. We got tilt wheel, custom gauges. The car just runs and drives great. It is badass. Look at the Fastback, just beautiful. Look at the paint. Doesn't get much better than this. Tilt wheel, leather interior. Just all done, ready to drive. Under the hood is completely detailed. Check us out at HollywoodMotorsUSA.com.